गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। मैं नित्यानंद सिन्हा, आनंद इंटरनेशनल स्कूल जकरियापुर पटना का शिक्षक आपके मंगलमय जीवन की कामना करते हुए आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं कि घर में रहें, पेरेंट्स की आज्ञा का पालन करें। क्लास 9 सब्जेक्ट केमिस्ट्री चैप्टर 2। टॉपिक नेम इज मैटर अराउंड अस प्योर। रिवीजन सेट 2। True or false type questions. First, baking of roti is a physical change. Second, burning of a paper is a chemical change. Third, rusting of iron is a physical change. Fourth, to separate colloidal particles, centrifugation is used. Fifth, the constituent of the mixture retain their identity. Sixth, milk is a compound. 7. The various components of petroleum are obtained by fractional distillation method. 8. Alum is used as a coagulant. 9. Curd is an example of gel. 10. Milk is an example of foam. Fill in the blanks. A fractional distillation is used to separate the components of dash liquid. Second question, the solution is a dash mixture. Third, dash is the most abundant element in the earth crust. Fourth, grease stains are soluble in dash. Fifth, the phenomenon of the scattering of light by the colloidal particles is termed as dash. Benzene is an dash solvent. 7th, carbon disulfide is an example of dash solvent. 8. Adsorption is used as the basic principle in dash. 9th, milk is a colloidal solution which is also known as dash. 10. Heat is evolved in dash reaction. Next, matching type questions. कॉलम फर्स्ट और कॉलम सेकंड, दैट मीन्स कॉलम ए और कॉलम बी गिवन है। कॉलम ए में है फर्स्ट डिकेंटेशन, सेकंड सब्लिमेशन, थर्ड सेंट्रीफ्यूगेशन, फोर्थ डिस्टिलेशन, फिफ्थ फिल्ट्रेशन। कॉलम बी में है फर्स्ट कॉमन सॉल्ट प्लस अमोनियम क्लोराइड, सेकंड चॉक एंड वाटर, थर्ड वाटर एंड एसीटोन, फोर्थ सैंड प्लस वाटर और फिफ्थ क्रीम फ्रॉम मिल्क। अब सेकंड है इसमें कॉलम ए एंड कॉलम बी। कॉलम ए में है फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, सेकंड कंपाउंड, थर्ड होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर, फोर्थ हेट्रोजेनियस मिक्सचर, फिफ्थ फोम, सिक्स एमल्जन। कॉलम बी में है फर्स्ट में ए में स्मोक, बी में सॉफ्ट बबल्स, सी में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, डी में मिल्क है, ई में है पोटेशियम के, एंड एफ में है ब्रॉन्ज। शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट, व्हाट आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्योर सब्सटेंस? गिव टू एग्जांपल ऑफ ईच। सेकेंड, व्हाई एयर इज कॉल्ड अ मिक्सचर? थर्ड, explain water is a compound. Fourth, graphite is used for the making electrodes. Why? Fifth, define chemical change with example. Sixth, how will we separate the color components of mixture of red and blue ink? 7. Distinguish between the compound and mixture. 8. How many types of mixture are known? Give 2 examples of each type. 9. What is the effect of change of temperature on the solubility of a salt? 10. How are salt, solution and suspension different from each other? 11. Write the step you evolved use for making tea. Use the words solution, solvent, solute, dissolve, soluble, insoluble, filters and residue. 12. Draw a diagram representing Brownian motion. 13. Classify each of the following as a homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture. Soda water, wood, air, soil, vinegar, filtered tea, seawater solution, solution of sugar and water, etc. 14. Distinguish between the physical and chemical change. Long answer questions. First, how will we separate a mixture of iron nails, common salt and camphor? Second, differentiate between metals and nonmetals with the help of or the basis of physical and chemical properties. Third, what is the effect of temperature on the solubility of solid and gas? Illustrate with suitable examples. Fourth, how will we separate a mixture of sand, petrol and kerosene? Fifth, write all steps employed in separation of mixture and sulfur, sodium chloride and water. 6. Whether the solubility of ammonium chloride in water increases on increasing temperature and why. 7. To make a saturated solution, 36 gram of sodium chloride is dissolved in 100 gram of water at 273 Kelvin. Find out its concentration at this temperature. Question number 8. Explain the following terms by giving example. First, saturated solution. Second, pure substance. Third, colloids. Fourth, suspension. Class 9th, subject chemistry, chapter 2. Topic name is matter around us pure. Revision set 2. True or false type questions. First, baking of roti is a physical change.